In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the right-hand side over here. You want to click on Edit PDF, and then from here, you can just select any text on your screen. So, for example, I'm going to select this one over here. As you can see, it's going to get a selection box around it, and then over here, you can do whatever you want. You could go and start typing in here, like next to it, just like this. You could go and change things, like, for example, delete some portions. You could add some portions in here. You could do pretty much whatever you wish. And then for more settings over here on the right hand side, you have the formatting options. So you can just select your text. For example, I'm going to select this part, and you can then change the format, such as like maybe some fonts over here. You can change the sizes, you can change colors, you can change like all the formatting, positioning, different like object, you can flip them, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to edit text inside Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.